Hello class, this is Miss Douglas chiming in to assist you with the homework. This is lesson 10, and also this is a good homework helper. So if you can read through, it just goes over the things that we did today. So this is the place value chart. You have to write an equation and express the product in standard form. So it says 2 copies of 4/10. So that's basically 2. Remember I said they may use it in groups, sets, times, and like it says, copies there. So what they did, they drew 4 circles, for that's the first set. Get this working here. That's the first set, and that's the second set. So you know that's 10. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know that's 8/10. So how do we write 8/10? You know to write 8/10 like this. That's the ones place here, and that's the tenths place here. Okay, so don't get confused or don't try to work too fast. Rather, make sure you do each step as Miss D told you to. Now, here, so we know that if there's a bundle of 10, we can circle a bundle of 10 and move it to the place to the left. We can move it to the place to the left. Okay, so if you got 10 hundreds, you can mark out 10 hundreds and just move 1 to the 10. Or if you got 21 hundreds, you can do 2 groups of 10 and move 2 groups to the 10th place. Okay, so these are some examples. So Miss D is going to do an example with you. It says solve by drawing disk on a place value chart. Write an equation and express the product in standard form. So I already know. So I'm going to work a little backwards. So I'm going to do this step. Write an equation, express the product in standard form. So it says 2 copies. So I know 2 copies mean 2 times, okay, because that's our order of operation, of 4/10. So 2 times 4/10 equal something. Now, I have to be accurate on what it's wanting me to do. It's wanting me to draw the disc, and these are the disc. These are the disc. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here. So I'm going to have my ones. I'm going to have my tenths. And I'm going to have my hundreds. Okay? And we know our decimal goes between the ones and the tenths. So we're going to do exactly what it says. It says 2 copies, so 2 sets, 2 groups, however you want to do it, of 4/10. So I know I'm drawing tenths. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 set, or 1 copy rather. And now I need to draw my second copy. So now I need to count. How many tenths did we draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I drew 8. Now it's time to fill in. How many ones we had? We had 0. Bring down your decimal. And we're done. So our answer in standard form is exactly this. This is standard form. So our answer is 0 and 8/10. All right, for number 2. For number 2, you need to do the following. You need to fill in your area model. This is your area model. Refer to your notes in your journal that we took today. 4 times 6 is what? Uh-oh. 4 times 6 is 24. So we have 24 ones. 4 times 7 is 28. And for right now, just put 28 tenths. But make sure you come back and convert it to standard form. Next is 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. Make sure you come back and convert it to standard form. Now, 4 times 6 ones is 24. So we will just write 24. But I'm sure we're going to need a decimal, so we'll do 24.0. 28 tenths. 28 tenths is basically 2 and 8 tenths. Okay? 36 hundredths. How will we write that? 0 and 36. So now we have to take everything that we just wrote out and add it together. So 24 plus, make sure you line up your decimals. Now we can put zeros here as placeholders and we can add them up now. 0 plus 6 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. We're going to put our 1 up there. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Make sure you line up your decimals. 2 plus 0 is 2. So that is our answer in standard form. Yes, that checks out right. That's our answer in standard form. So refer back to your journal and refer back to this video for help.